Hello students, welcome back to our channel VR Academy. Today we will discussing the most important bits regarding our examination purpose. So these are the combined bits in the physics, chemistry and biology. So then we will discussing about bit one by one. The first bit, the maximum number can be calculated in the different cells or have. So according to Niels Bohr model of an atom, the elements are contained in the different orbits. These are called KLMN. So according to Niels Bohr model of an atom, the protons and neutrons are present at the center of the atom. The electrons revolved around the nucleus in a fixed paths are called KLMN. So otherwise are 1, 2, 3, 4 integrated numbers. If you want to find out how many electrons are present in the different orbits, so the principle is the 2n square principle. So that is the most important bit examination purpose. Non-metallic character increases from left to right in the periodic table. In the periodic table, the electropositive metals in the left side, the high electronegative elements, non-metals in the right side. Which metal is always kept in kerosene? Sodium. Sodium is a very soft and very reactive. It is always kept in kerosene, and it can be cut it with a knife also. Next, the chemical formula of baking soda. The chemical formula of baking soda is sodium bicarbonate. It is in the bakery and that bread and cakes manufacturing. Next one. What are the properties of metals? The properties of metals, lustrity, it means when you are polishing it becomes shining. Hardness. Hardness means the melting and boiling points are more. Next, ductile. Beaten when it becomes as a sheets, it will expand. Malleability. So what is meant by malleability? It dry into the wires, for example, aluminum and copper wires. So that is called the metals are contain the malleability and ductility. And it is also called thermal and electrical conductivity. So more. In the metals, the thermal and electrical conductivity also more. Next. Matter molecules have the maximum attraction force. The elements are classified into three types: so solids, liquids, and gases. In the solids, the maximum attraction force will be more. In liquids, the attraction force will be less. In the gases, the molecules are very randomly moved because the attraction force will be more. It is very far from each and other. Next one question. What is fermentation process? It is a anaerobic process. The chemical change in the organic substances through the action of enzymes. So what are the enzymes are involved in the fermentation process? The two enzymes are involved in the fermentation process. So one is the gymase and another one is the invertase. So what is the main function of invertase? The main function of invertase, glucose can be converted into sucrose can be converted into glucose and fructose. So what is the main function of lactose? Lactose means glucose and galactose. Sucrose means glucose and fructose. Next question. What is meant by disaccharides? The saccharides are two types. One is the monosaccharides and other one is the disaccharides. When two monosaccharides combine to form a disaccharides, example sucrose and lactose, says to maltose. The next question. What are the different types of coals? Anthracite. It is very costly and is very hard, and the calorific value also will be maximum. The metallurgical coal are usually generally purpose in the metallurgical process in the steel plants. Lignite and bituminous coals, these are the commercial coals, these are used in the manufacturing the thermal power plants. Next one, the acceleration due to gravity on the earth surface, mass m and radius r, it is proportional to gravitational force g is equal to gm by r square. Next question, what is indicator? It is also coil choke, a positive of two terminals electrically components it to store energy in the magnetic field when the electric current is passing through it. In the magnetic field, when the current is passing through it, it can be converted in the and store of that energy, that is called the indicator. Next question. The electromagnetic induction was introduced first Michael Faraday in 1831. Next question. What is capacitor? It is a two terminals electrical device that can store energy in the form of electric conductor. So what is meant by rheostat? It is variable resistance which is used to control current. They are able to variable in the resistances in circuit without interruption. Next one. What is diode? It is a component that only able current passing one side only. LED lights emit diodes whenever electric current passing between electrodes and travel the same diode. Next question. Example of intensely gives the energy. These are the food rich carbohydrates. When the athletics they will take the glucose, it will give the energy. Next question. Fruits contains high source of hormones. So cytokinin and auxin. What is cytokinin? It is a plant growth hormone that stimulates cell division and growth. It is more concentrated in the developing parts of the plant and young fruits and seeds. So what is auxin? Along with the cytokinin, enoxin is leaves and help to fruits growth, cell division and cell expansion. These are most essential of the plants. So what is the main function of ethylene? Ethylene it is a gas of organic compounds. It is responsible for the coloring of the fruits. Okay guys, students. So I hope if you are like, please subscribe, like and share our videos and please kindly encourage to us, then we will make more videos. Thank you. Thank you very much.